So I'm discussing about the how to activate Google Webmaster on particular website. New process and the old process completely different. Recently updating for Google Webmaster will be set up your website for Google Webmaster tool. So Google Webmaster tool purpose of can search engine can understand your website, links, optimization, everything will be dependent by the Google Webmaster tool. So first of all, how to set up your new website with the Google Webmaster tool. First of all, select your website and select your cPanel. Without cPanel, we can't activate Google Webmaster. So first of all, open for google.com/webmaster. Click for sign in. When sign in, you will go to the your total overview option. Each Google Webmaster, we can activate multiple websites. Each Google Webmaster activate multiple website. If you activate any new website, select it. The option call is add property. Here will be option will be here. Domain, URL, prefix. So select here. You can see this one. URL across subdomains will be here. All your across the HTTP and HTTPS required DNS verification. Here URL under enter address. URL under specific protocol allow multiple verification method. So your website will be without double dot. Your website will be no HTTP, no HTTPS, not required. Go for first one. If required, go for this one. So always I am selecting for here. See this example, example.com. Here they mentioned by the correct one, HTTPS example.com. Select here, click for continue. When continue is generating one HTML code. Generating one HTML code or else you can upload by HTML tag. But HTML tag is one problem. Suppose select by HTML tag. Your website will be dynamic. You have the 100 pages. This code we can add by total 100 pages. How much time will we take? It will take almost 1 day. If you download HTML file, once download upload by cPanel, they applicable by all 100 pages within a minute. Which is better? They go for download HTML file. So any website will be static or dynamic. You can download by the HTML file. Any free website, Blogger or WordPress, you can using for HTML file. Any free Blogger or WordPress using for HTML tag. So just you can go for HTML file, click for download. Just you can understanding code 8A6E. So code was download. When code was download, when upload by cPanel, the verification will be done. When upload by cPanel, the verification will be done. So that will be login cPanel. Click for file manager. Any activation cPanel file manager public underscore HTML. Simply click for upload. Select your upload. Download. So in this download, select your file. So once download will be finished, now click for verify. So checking for verification here. So verification will be done. Just click here. Once refresh. Click the site. It will be activated. Is it clear? So simply you can click for just you can enter the property to start your options. Each webmaster tool we can activate n number of websites using for add property option. That is called Google Webmaster will be activated. Just one code is a HTML file. You can download, upload by where? cPanel. Go for file manager, public underscore HTML. You can click for upload file and file was uploading. So this will implement by all pages within a minute of time. So this will be activated for the Google Webmaster Tool for call your website purpose.